everyone, and welcome back. In today's video we are having a look at some seeds that I've purchased. Now these seeds are they're a little bit special to me for a number of reasons. So if you watched my autumn tour video, just the 2018 one, you may have heard me mention that I had sold off all my Echinocereus plants, and that I was a bit sad that I'd done so and that I regretted it. And I also mentioned that I had full intention of rebuilding that part of my collection, because I'm down to probably, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 plants now. Anywho, so I purchased a collection of Echinocereus seeds, but I guess the second point that makes these seeds extra special is that, as you will have seen, I do have a Patreon account, and I do have a couple of people on there that actually do support my channel, and so the support that I received on Patreon actually covered these seeds. So they're special for a couple of reasons. The first is I get to begin rebuilding my Echinocereus collection, and also the wonderful people that support my channel basically made this possible. So I'm incredibly thankful to them. Thank you, and we'll just have a quick look through at what they are. But we've got Echinocereus adustus, we've got Berlanderii, and 2 packets of that. I think they might have doubled up accidentally because I didn't order 2 packets, but that's okay. We've got Bonatzii, dubious, well, I think that's how it looks to me, and Fitchii, and we've got here Fasciculatus and Rigidissimus rubispinus lowii, or Lowie. No, I'm pretty sure it should be Lowii, but anywho. And then the lucky last one that we've got here is Echinocereus subinermus luteus. And these seeds are all from cactusstore.com. I've mentioned them in my videos in the past. I'm a big fan of them. They're really good value seeds. They post well, and I'll just show you very, very quickly. Look how clean the seed is. There is just no fragments of flowers or anything in there. Excuse me. They're very, very well done seed. I've always had a good germination rate from them, and look, honestly, for the ones that I haven't had a good germination rate, they've been very few and far in between. And look, that is just something that can happen with seed. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe the seed was, not a good batch or whatever. But all in all, I'm incredibly happy with their with the quality and pricing of their seed as well. So, anyways, everyone, I'm going to go and mix some soil up, pop it in the oven, and get to planting these guys so that come springtime they should be a decent size. But once again, thank you very, very much to my patrons over on Patreon. And just a very quick reminder that you can support my channel for as little as $1 per month. It is a subscription service, and there is unique content over on Patreon that won't appear anywhere else. So thank you again, and thanks for watching, everyone, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.